Today in this video we're going to show you how to put the AlcoSense Excel, Pro and Ultra into manual update mode. The process for putting the units into manual update mode is the same for the Excel, Pro and Ultra. So today I'll demonstrate for you using the AlcoSense Excel. First of all, ensure the USB cable has been disconnected from the device. Turn the unit over and remove the battery compartment cover. Remove one of the 3 batteries. Turn the unit back over, then press and hold the power key for 2 seconds. This will remove any residual power left in the unit. Once you've done that, you need to press and hold the left button and the right button together at the same time, whilst also inserting the battery. Once the battery is inserted, you can let go of the left and right hand keys, and you'll see that at the bottom of the unit the light is flashing, which indicates it's now in update mode. You can reinsert the USB cable and continue to update the unit. If you enter this mode by accident and you wish to get back out of it, all you need to do is press and hold the power key for 2 seconds and the unit is back to normal function.